everybody, my name is Saran and this is Flora. Now can you believe we have covered so many of our sounds and our letters so far, and I bet you're becoming even more of an expert. You are, I know. Oh, what's wrong? It's getting heavy in your beak. Oh, the clue, I forgot about the clue. Okay, oh sorry, let me help you. Oh, that's better. Okay, so here is our clue. Ah, I think we all know what this is, don't we? A banana. So can you think what the sound is that we're going to be looking at today? That's right, the sound is B, B, B. Is that right? Banana. You've already thought of another sound, another word. Beak, that's right, because you have a beak, don't you? So now let's have a look to see what the sound B looks like. The sound is B. The letter name is B. This is a capital B. This is a small b. So we're going to go off and have a little blueberry snack now, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.